The lower house Secretary General believes there is a possibility that a third impeachment complaint may be filed against Vice President Sara Duterte anytime soon. Which group or personality could possibly file the third complaint of such nature? Mela Las Moras reveals in this report.
More impeachment complaints may be filed against Vice President Sara Duterte in the coming days. This according to House Secretary General Reginald Velasco, citing feelers from some lawmakers who are eyeing to file or endorse new complaints soon. As of now, there are already 2 impeachment complaints against the Vice President.
May mga congressman na kumausap sa akin na meron daw silang pinag-iisipang i-file or i-endorse. Kaya on hold kami dito, naghihintay kami. Maybe today or Monday, we were just informed na standby lang, baka mag-file kami ng another complaint.
According to Velasco, the initial complaints have yet to be forwarded to the office of House Speaker Martin Romualdez. He said there is no obstruction, but they are just waiting to see if there will be additional complaints so they can transmit them all at once.
Pinag-aaralan din kasi ng legal staff namin yung pinel na complaint, kung may kulang, kung na-verified, mga ganyan, para si Speaker can decide on the basis of the information that we will submit.
On the part of the Makabayan Bloc, one of the groups pushing to impeach VP Sara, they said they have started their signature campaign to gather enough votes for the complaint. Meanwhile, on the side of the majority, House Deputy Majority Leader Paulo Ortega clarified there are no lobbying efforts either to support or oppose the impeachment complaints.
On the side of the majority, talagang yung focus po namin is nandun pa rin po sa hearings. Although may mga naghain na po ng impeachment complaints mula Makabayan saka sa other parties po like yung sa Liberal Party, sa Akbayan. Tatanggapin po ng House yun at syempre bibigyan po ng kaukulan na action pag na-refer po.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.